Meet Kate. Like you, she's a postgraduate student. And just like you, Kate finds it difficult to conduct efficient literature research. She struggles with disconnected tools, nothing communicates with each other. She's also frustrated by unclear terminology. This makes it hard to find relevant results. On top of that, the research context is missing, so relationships between topics remain hidden. Research was exhausting until she found Winfo, the innovative research platform. Quickly explore a broad research field with the simple search. Mark publications easily and export them in various formats with one click. Explore co-authorships and citation networks via the co-author and citation graphs. Adjust graph depth to uncover even more connections. Export the graph for further analysis, fast and simple. Need a more targeted search? Switch to Advanced Search. Combine flexible filters for highly precise results with helpful error feedback. Just type in your search criteria for precise results. Adjust your search criteria with one click. Discover new words for your search with the Keyword Addition tool. Explore keyword connections through a graph. Quickly sort your search results by key metrics. Save your entire search to your favorite projects. You can also visualize citation paths to explore how publications build upon each other. Save entire searches or individual publications to custom projects. Share your projects with others. Winfo changed the way Kate works. It helped her manage her research smarter, faster, and with more clarity.